In this video, we are going to work on the Docker lab, that is environment variables. So in this lab, there are four questions. We'll go one by one. First question is inspect the environment variable set on running container and identify the value set to the app underscore color variable. So we want to find out the environment variable set on the running container. And we should also find what is the value set for app underscore color. So for that, there is a command docker space inspect. Okay, before that, we want to know what are the running containers. So docker space ps. So here there is a running container. This container is running. Now let's find out details about this container. For that, we will run a command docker space inspect space name of the container. Let's see, cool canon. Okay, so here you can see a lot of details. Now we need to find out where is this app underscore color mentioned. Okay, so either we can find it manually or we can just filter it. So let me do one thing. So I will just grab app underscore color. So here you can see pink value is assigned to app underscore color key. So let's click on pink. Okay. Now the next question is run the container named blue hyphen app using this image and set this environment variable and make the application available on port on the host and application listens on the port. So this can be done by using a command. So let's check the command syntax. Okay. So the command syntax, let me clear this. First, you will use docker space run hyphen p. Now here first we have to mention what is the host port. The host port is here you can see host port is 38282. 38282. Sorry, 38282 is the host port. Then colon container port which is 808080. Okay. Now we need to give other options also. Here we are giving the name of the docker hyphen name space. The name of the container is blue hyphen app. Okay, the next is now we can also pass the environment variable in the same command. Okay, so for that we can use hyphen e. Name of the key. The name of the key is app underscore color and equal to the value which is blue. Okay, next. Okay, now we can run it as a daemon. That is, we can run it in the background and we can say hyphen d and then we can specify the name of the image. So this is the name of the image. Okay. So here we have covered everything. We are mentioned Docker run. We are mentioning the host port colon container port, name of the container, then the name of the environment variables, and then the image. So let's run this. Okay. Now let's see Docker PS. So here you can see this app. This is the new app. Okay, so this one is a new app. Sorry, not the container that is running. Okay, you can see the name is blue app. You can see the name of the image. You can see the host port and container port. So let's click on check. Yes, it is working. Now let's go to the question number 3. Now view the application by clicking the link host colon 38282 on the right side of your terminal bar. Ensure it has a right color. So here we have mentioned, um, okay, we have mentioned the color as blue. So let's see. So I'm going to click on this one. Okay, so here you can see the color is blue. So which is correct? Okay, now let's see the last question. Deploy a MySQL database using MySQL image and name it MySQL DB. Set the database password to use this one. Look up for MySQL image on the Docker Hub and identify the correct environment variable to use. Okay, so here we have to check the Docker Hub. Okay, so let's first do the uh, okay MySQL image on Docker Hub. So let me just check. And okay, see here you can see this is the name of the key. My root password. Is it the root password they are referring to? Okay, right, same. My root password. Okay, so let's use the previous command here. Now deploy the database using MySQL image. The image is, I will use MySQL as the image. Okay. Then the name of the key is this one. Okay. And the value is this. Okay. And name of the container is MySQL. Sorry, name is MySQL DB. Okay, here they have not mentioned anything about the port. So let's remove this option. Okay, let's cross check once if this is correct. Docker run -d -e. Okay, hyphen name MySQL. Okay, so it looks correct. So let's run it. Okay, so I will use Docker PS to check the new container. So this MySQL is a new container. Now let me click on check here. Yes, it is working. Okay, so we have completed the lab on the environment variable. So here in one of the case, we have used this environment variable. In the second case, we have used this as the environment variable. And we have created the container and we can see it is running. And we have also seen the, the web app and we have seen how this environment value is taking effect. Thank you.